Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing practical geometry or constructions as we generally call. In earlier classes, you have constructed, you have seen how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment or a angle bisector of an angle. Here we are trying to study quadrilateral. Okay, so let us see what is quadrilateral first and what are its parameters. So this is a quadrilateral. It has four sides S1, S2, S3, S4, four angles A1, A2, A3, A4, and two diagonals D1 and D2. These are the 10 parameters of quadrilateral. Okay. So now go through a comment here. At least 5 out of 10 parameters are needed to construct a unique quadrilateral. You need to have 5 parameters to construct a quadrilateral. What is unique? Unique means only one can be drawn. If you try to draw another one, that will be overlapped on that. Okay, that is unique. We will come to know exact meaning of this as we proceed further. For the time being, you go through this comment. Though not any five will help us to draw a unique quadrilateral. Not that any five are given. Okay, so we will study what does this sentence means. That is, if more than one quadrilateral is possible having same measurements. So let us see an example to clear this. Okay, then you will come to know what is this about. Okay, so we see an example. Here are they. Go to this comment. If any of the following five parameters are given, we can construct a unique quadrilateral. Okay, first one, when four sides and one diagonals are given. You have seen this. Two diagonals and three sides are given. Okay, third one, two adjacent sides and three angles are given, not any sides, so adjacent sides. Okay, and three angles are given. Fourth one, when three sides and two included angles are given, that means not inside, we will see all of them in details. And a fifth one is when other special properties are known. Okay, so in this case we will try to draw all this. Okay, one by one, but remember one comment here, always draw a rough sketch to make a construction easy. Let us study one by one, and before that let us study the rules, general rules which we must follow for the construction purpose. Okay, so we move over towards the rules. Okay, general rules for drawing construction in geometry. These are general rules. You can have some of yours also. First one, use sharp HB bold pencils. Second one, keep 3 to 4 pencils ready only for construction. For other work like rough work, use another pencils. That is a small tip given here. Don't waste time in sharpening during exam. That is, you are wasting your time. Carry sharpened pencil from home. Okay. Third one, use different pencils for compass and freehand drawing. Okay. So don't take out compass pencil. Use another pencil for drawing a line and point. Fourth one, take exact measurements as shown in the video. Okay, there is no approximations. There are few more rules. You'll go through it. These are very useful. Don't buy head them, but you try to use these. Okay. Fifth one, take measurements as shown on line marks and not directly by scale to avoid errors. Okay. Sixth one, draw line segments only once and don't redraw. Here is a important comment. marked in red. Draw beyond mark point. Okay. All this is shown in video. Even you will see this point in video. Okay. I have followed all these rules in my video. We are not supposed to break any rule. Okay. The rules which are made by us for the construction are okay, but there are some such rules which we cannot break. Okay. So this one is single point and curves to be drawn only once. Okay. This is not by the mathematicians. While joining two points, check by keeping pencil pointers on the marks. Okay, to make sure that line segment covers the point and then draw, shown in video. Okay, this is very important again. Don't erase. Okay, ninth one is don't erase any point or extra segment or marks. Okay, from the point of view of construction, this is very important. Okay, you must keep them to show to the examiner. Okay, watch this video. So if a mark is there, you see this, you are not supposed to erase anything. Okay, so we will watch the video, and still if you face a difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I will solve it. Okay, so after going through these rules, see how which pencils you need. These are some bold pencils. See, I cannot take any names. See how sharp it is. See that you are not tearing the paper. Pencil should be that this sharp, and see how should be attached to compass. Use separate pencil for compass. See, and it is also pointed. Use, see, this is how you should arrange for this, and see how you should mark. See how I am marking it. See, this is a line. Okay, see, I have taken a close up of this, and see how you can see even still close up. 0 means 0. Okay, 0, exact 0. Now this is 3.4. Okay, see, it is just before 3.5. Okay, so take that care, then your construction will be thorough. Okay, and see how curves or marks you should make. See, this is one only single mark. Okay, should not overwrite it or redraw it. Okay, only single mark. That's why you need bold sharp pencils. Okay, and a single point. Okay, I told you keep some pencils ready. See, even if you have to do like this, take it like that. Okay, and another one, this is showing. So after some practice you can achieve this. This is that. And when joining, join, see, I'm joining not only 2 points but beyond this. That is very important in construction. Okay, so see, these are the points. Keep pencils on this so that your line will pass through these points and should pass the points on this side and other side always, and do not rub all this. Okay, all these marks and points and everything is a part of construction, so you are not supposed to rub or erase anything. Okay, that is very important. Okay, you will come across some many important tips in the following videos as we proceed further. Okay, so we proceed. Now we will see how angles are to be taken. See, this is a straight line. See, this very carefully we have to take. It's a very important aspect of the construction, geometrical construction. See, I have taken a close up. See how protractor has to be kept. See, this is the point. See, it is exactly lying on this, and that line, no, it is still not there. See, now this is there. No, you have to take it lead. Now it is here. Yes, that is the point is on this point. Point matches, and this is exactly, this is 90. Okay. Now I am taking 60. So from this side, this is 60. I am also taking 61. See, okay. Now let us take 101. If I want to take from this side, see, taking 101. So that exactness should be there. Okay. Now I am taking 114. So I'm just taking where it is 110 and 4 units away from this. Just see. So this is the level of accuracy you have to achieve. Okay, see, this is 110 and this is 114. Okay, you can even check by expanding the screen and study how to take it. See, I have written 90 there. Now joining these 2 points, they should be joined correctly. See, this I've seen that this point lies on the line. Yes, that is 61. Now I will join some other point to this 90. Okay, this and this 90 I am joining. Okay, so this is 90. So you have to specify what you have joined. This is 90 and this is 61. Okay, so try to study this and use this in construction. Okay, and fourth one, now when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Remember, included angles means, look at this figure, S1, S2, S3, 3 sides will be given and 2 angles which are included in these 3 sides. A1 is included in S1 and S2 and A2 is included in S2 and S3. So such type of data will be given. So we go for the first construction. First one, construct quadrilateral DEAR. So DE is 4 centimeters, EA is 5 centimeters, AR is 4.5 centimeters, angle E is 60 degree and angle A is 90 degree. We will copy it down on the paper where we will be drawing this. Then we will draw a rough sketch and see the how the data helps us in drawing the construction. Okay, so we move ahead. Construct a quadrilateral. So copy the data given on this answer sheet or in your notebook. Construct a quadrilateral DEAR. Okay, and write down all that data given where DE is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, take it very carefully so that you don't commit a mistake. EA is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, and AR is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Take your time. Angle E is equal to 60 and angle A is 90, both in radians. You know that. Now draw a rough sketch and watch the comment I am giving you, some tip. Okay, you are supposed to draw a quadrilateral. See this, I am drawing this line first. Okay, and drawing 4 lines, and if I join this it becomes a parallelogram. So I am taking it like this and joining this. Okay, now the 2 angles which are given, take it at the bottom anywhere, either on left hand side, but E should be E and A should be at the bottom. So I am considering this as E. First you label these vertices E and A. Anyhow, if you may write this side E and that side A anyhow, and label them, and now label other vertices. It should be D. If you are writing like this, DEAR. Okay, ER. It's like this, and you now you can label all these sides, which is D is 4, then this is 5, and AR is 4.5. Okay, so this type of a rough sketch will help you a lot, as you have taken that A and E are whatever angles given at the bottom, then that will literally and really help you. Okay, so I'm starting with AE. Okay, and taking advantage of the measures of the angles. See, this is a line, and marking 5 centimeters AE. Okay, this is A, this is E. Okay, now see, I'm giving labels, and now we have to draw a line inclined by 60 degree to A from E. Okay, see, this is what I am doing. I'm taking 60-degree angle, keeping it exactly like this. The line should match and the point should match. Okay, and AED is 60. See, that angle I am taking is 60, because on this line D lies at a distance of 4 centimeters from E. That you will see afterwards. Okay, let us draw this line first. Okay, see, I am confirming that both these points are lying on the line, and then joining this. Okay, and then R is on the line which is inclined by 90 degree to A. Okay, so I am drawing that line. See, this, you see, line is matching, point is matching, and this is 90, and now joining A and that point where R lies at a distance of 4.5 centimeters from A. Okay, so while drawing, keep some space or one, at least one line on this for this purpose. Okay, so that is where you come to know that your practice plays important role. Okay, after some practice you will come to know that you have to keep that line for this purpose, that you want distances. This is 0, this is 4, and 4.5 you need only 2 distances. 5 you are already taken. Okay, so now label. I am labeling R first. Okay, generally I prefer to take longer distance first, though there is no such rule. So this is 4.5. So this will give me where R lies from A on that line, which is a 90 degree to AE. Okay, so that is R, and D is on the other line at the distance of 4 centimeters from E. Remember that. That is why I told you that a rough sketch always helps you a lot. Okay, so try to have a rough sketch in such a way that it will help you and not make any confusion. So join these lines. See that both these points are lying on the line. Okay, join them, and yes, this is R and this is D. Okay, now label all these data which is given. This is 4.5, and this is 4, 5 you already written. This is 60. Okay, and 90. Okay, now you know we are not supposed to write just numbers, we should specify their units. So I'm writing a comment that all the measurements, line measurements or segments are in centimeters, okay, and angles at 60 90 are in degree radians, okay. And then the answer that you are supposed to draw a quadrilateral DEAR, and you are just answering that this is a quadrilateral DEAR, okay. That's it, okay, fine. Second construction under this, where three sides and two included angles are given, construct quadrilateral TRUE, where TR is equal to 3.5 centimeters, RU is equal to 3 centimeters, UE is equal to 4 centimeters, angle R will be 75 degree and angle U will be 120 degree. We will copy this on the paper, draw a rough sketch as usual and proceed. Okay. So I am copying down the data which is given in a slide on this paper. Go through that data, draw or construct a quadrilateral TRUE which is given on slide. Okay, TRUE, and other data where TR is equal to 3.5 centimeters, RU is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, write down very carefully so that you don't make any mistake. UE is equal to 4 centimeters, and two angles. This is a construction where three sides and two angles are given, and two angles are included in these three sides. Okay, so R is 75 degree and angle U is 120. Now the rough sketch, okay, that is compulsory, that is a part of the construction. Okay, remember that this line I told you to take the angles on the bottom line. So select anyone as U and any other vertex as R. I am selecting this as R, this is U, and this is 75, and that is U is 120. And now label other vertices. Okay, the TRUE, so you have to give this as T because it has to be in series, RUE. Okay, you cannot give others. Now the labels 3.5, 3 and 4. Okay, so I was telling you that if you are writing R here and U here, then T must be near that R only. Okay, you know that. So start with UR. Okay, that is at the bottom, and you will definitely get the advantage of the two angles which are at the bottom. Okay, now this is 3. You know that U is 120, is going to incline to the left hand side, so I have taken it at the right hand side a little on the right of the paper. Okay, so if you have enough practice, then you will come to know in the beginning only that you have to shift that UR on the little right hand side. Okay, now that T is on the line which is actually inclined to 75 degree to UR, so this is 75. I am taking, say I have kept it on R, and now joining this is a line which is inclined to UR, or by this is 75 degree. Okay, and another line which is inclined to 120 to UR, so that RUE is 120. So this is this. Okay, so mark it, and now joining this. Okay, yes, I'm just confirming that both the points are on the line and joining this. Okay, so this is 120. Now is almost complete. Now you need to distances to mark 3.5 and 4. See, I am taking it is 0. Okay, now this I am taking, and 3.5 and 4. Okay, this is 0, and this is 3.5 and 4. Okay, you need only two distances. I have marked them, and now see, I am taking, you can take any one of these. Okay, taking that 4 first. See, it is from you get this arc where E lies. Okay, and another is 3.5 from R where T lies. Okay, so this is T, this arc, intersection of the line and arc. Now join this, confirming that both the points are on the line you are going to join. So yes, just confirming it, and draw this. Okay, and now label them. This is E and this is T, and other data, this is, see, this is 3.5, writing it there, and this is 5 written, this is 4. Okay, and that comment. Now if you don't want to write a comment, then you can write 3.5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, like that. Okay, all right, like this. All measurements, that is segment measurements, are in centimeters, and angles are in degree radian. And the answer, because we are asked to draw quadrilateral, so you have to make a comment that you have drawn a quadrilateral TRUE as asked. Okay, that's it. TRUE. Okay, see this, and rough, and this is fair. Okay, so this is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you face any difficulty in the topic of construction, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. Thanking you. Good luck.